if you open the course file, you're going to see a zip folder. When you unzip it, those are what you're going to see. So we have transaction from 2020 to 2022 right here. So you can see all the lookup tables we have right now. So this wouldn't be easy if we want to actually use, Excel workbook to actually get this done without we pushing this into Power Query, then from Power Query to Power Pivot. So that is where we're going to continue from right now. So the first thing you do is just to make sure you launch your Excel. So we are launching Excel right now. So here is Excel right here. So I'm going to click on this. And that gives me a blank Microsoft Excel worksheet right here. So quickly, you can actually have this saved to whatever you want. So we want to actually save this to, so choose any part of your, PC to save it. I'm going to say first class. So I just named mine first class. So you can actually name it whatever you like. So just leave it on Excel workbook and click on save. And that gives you this particular, blank, stuff like this. So let's just actually, first of all, explore what we have right here. So right here, as you can see, we don't have Power Pivot existing. So we're going to look at how to activate our Power Pivot right now. So for you to activate a Power Pivot, all you have to do is to actually come to File. So once you click on File, you go all the way down and you see where it says Option. So from Option, you're going to see where it says Add-ins. So make sure you click on add-ins and you'll see where it says Excel add-ins. So open it up and here we go. We have COM add-ins. So we go click on go. That brings us here. So I don't know why, Microsoft just felt like doing this. So even though if you activate it right now, once you close your Excel workbook, it would definitely not available for you. All you have to do right now, as you can see, it has been checked already. I'm going to uncheck this. If your map is not shown as well, make sure you check it right here. It's going to show all that. So any of this you want to use, you can actually check it. You have it right there. So right now, I want to check it. I'm going to click on OK to save it. Then we cannot see it yet. So we have to go all the way back here. Options, add-ins. You have to choose this particular COM add-ins and you click on go. So now it is time for you to activate this. You click on OK and you click on, yeah. Sure. So if we come here now, we can see where we have Power Pivot. So here we go. We can see our Power Pivot is actually activated right here. This is just the very best way to activate your Power Pivot. So now you don't know anything about Power Pivot, don't worry. So we're going to learn everything you need together. So you just keep watching. So make sure you always save consistently